So right here we have Imperfect Bunny Vlogs. Alpine Star, bro. So hey, what is up, pretty people? This is HyperRider 400. Welcome to a new day and a new fresh vlog. You guys know today is Independence Day 2020 and it's raining heavily here, but still we had plans to go Kabde Ram and pretty much those plans got cancelled because of these rains. So here are the bikes. So today is 15 August 2020 and it is Independence Day. So to be honest, we had cancelled the rides, but then we are riders and we can't live without rides, isn't it, NJR? And we have Imperfect Bunny Vlogs right there. So we had stopped for fueling and we'll be leaving in a while. There is our Mr. TT Automotives, the official. So hello pretty people, this is HyperRider 400. I hope the mic is working. And yes, you heard it right. From here my mic gave me doka. Sala mic hi dokebaz nikla pe. Okay, so we can see Imperfect Bunny right there on his sweet ride. And yeah, we were pretty much excited, but this little mic right there in my helmet spoiled everything. And there's NJR Vlogs. Okay, no, he's changed his name to AKR, so from now on he's AKR. And yep, all the buddies were riding nicely and things were going so fine. So until this happened, so let's continue with this voiceover. So I hope you all are enjoying the vlog and I hope you all are safe, fine at home. And there we can see SD Vlogs with no vlogs today also. And hey bro, what's up? Man, today was it's going to be so lit that I can't even tell you how excited I am right now. And yep, you know, one thing about riding is you feel alive when you're with your riding buddies. You know, it is what it is, and riding is one of the most peace giving thing in the world. I feel maybe you have a different thing, but yep, that is the thing for me. And yep, let's continue today's ride. So seats indicator is kind of broken and we have reached Sikerim. We have reached on the spot and this rain is being a total so here riders are walking. How's your hair?
It's basically. Oh shit! It's a video. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh
Run!
my god!
Run!
Oh my god!
Oh. It's picnic time! किधर है थे? So the climb is just being sexy. It's very windy, dude. Wow! Jockey! Oh! I knew it! Let's go. No sponsors, no sponsors. Indian vlogger. So there are three vloggers. You have to be very careful with where we are going. This road has some seriously tricky, slushy road.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So after a long trek, we have come to the spot where we were supposed to come, and photo shoot is going on over there. We have a Spider-Man. This place is just beauty, man. This place is a beauty. Just look at it.
That one. It's amazing. It's going.
You'll
Ah, shit! Shit just got legit.
you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Yes, let me go move. I'm not wearing my gloves because, oh man, I'm tired. The track was insane. So that was it for the vlog, and we are very close towards hitting 500 subscribers. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's hit a milestone very soon. Do it, karte, please. So on 15th August, I was not able to end the vlog because I was very tired, and trust me, the climb was very difficult over there. So I came home, got freshened up, and went directly to eat food, and then obviously I had to take a nap. So today is 19th of August 2020, and I'm ending the vlog right here. This vlog will be up this Friday. Yeah. So that's it. So thank you for making me a part of your day. Bye bye. See you. Take care. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're